Hey guys, what's up? It's Tish. Today I am doing I can't call it a rainy day look because it's raining outside. I felt like a bum. I was like, let me get up and do a makeup tutorial because who wants to be outside in the rain? Not me. So I guess it's not really a rainy day look. I don't even have a name for this look. I'm gonna call it maybe bum, rainy, boring day look. Just bored. Doing makeup out of boredom. I don't know what I call it. Whatever though. Before you guys go, subscribe to my channel. What are you doing? I'm awesome. I told you guys this before, okay? Let's get to the video. I showed you guys this new foundation. It's got the Maybelline 24-hour foundation. It's full coverage. Super Stay. It's newer. I have warm sun, so that's that right there. Yesterday I did it with my brush. So today I'm going to try it with my beauty blender and see how I like it. Okay, so I just managed to put on my Blake Gray hoodie with this foundation on like this. And I messed up my hair, but I didn't mess up my foundation. I scraped it a few times. The hair's in it, but oh, my little piece went up. But see, these little curls don't work out for me. Alright, so yeah. Using this damn beauty blender. So today, guys, I finally put my 2 weeks in at work. So I'm about to have another job. I'm super nervous, but we will see. Right now, I'm going to set my face with Airspun. You guys already know how this works. Okay. I wanted to do like this little tutorial today because it's so rainy out and shitty. Like, it's horrible. So I was like, oh, let me just do a makeup tutorial. Like, I got off of work at 3:30. Nothing else to do with my life. Okay, now I'm gonna brush this off. So I'm about to work for a outside sales representative. I said that right, yeah. So I go and knock on people's doors and sell stuff to them. Hopefully that works out for me. If not, it's okay. Okay, so I'm super excited to use this new palette. It's by Ulta. It's the Element of Surprise. Yeah, surprise. Yeah, surprise. 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 So it's not surprise, it's surprise. Yep, 12 beautiful colors in this thing. Guys, just take a look. Look how beautiful. Like, I'm obsessed. Oh, that's so gorgeous. So, dull look. It's more of a rainy day look. I'm taking this shade right here. Right here. And doing it all over the base of the lid. This color is like a little bit more darker than... Okay, I wanted to add some tape. I don't know why I just don't do my eyeshadow first. And then put foundation on. This tape's not that sticky, but whatever, right? So I'm going to take this other shade right here and go in the kind of the crease with it. Ooh, I love it. I feel like I don't have a lot of lighting in my room. Well, it's like gloomy out, so it's like no sun. Lightly. Look how pretty, guys. So pretty. Okay, so that's that. Now I'm going to take this really pretty color. I'm so obsessed with it. Right here. Sparkles right here. And put it on my lid right in this corner. The color is so pretty. I couldn't wait to use it. Oh wow, it's so pretty, guys. I'm gonna do my other eye. So I got this free gift at Ulta right here. It's really pretty. It's Makeup Revolution. And when I bought my aunt a palette from Makeup Revolution from at Ulta, they had a buy one get a free gift, and came with this. But I took this, so sorry, Nana, because I'm obsessed with it. Okay, so I finally got it open. Here's all the colors, and I'm pretty sure in the middle right here, I'm convinced that it's a highlight because it said makeup pigment and highlight palette. So I'm very convinced that the middle one is for highlight. It's really pretty black right here. I'm going to take and put on the corner of my eye. Just a little bit because everyone knows black sucks. It's everywhere. Just to make all that a little bit darker. Okay, so now I'm taking off my tape. Oh my gosh, look how pretty. I'm so obsessed. Okay, so now I'm going to fix this up where the tape came off at. I just usually take one dab, and I usually take a beauty blender for this one, for sure, even though I'm pretty sure I'm still looking more of a brush girl than a beauty blender girl. Like, I prefer a brush over a beauty blender. Back into that Makeup Revolution palette. Right here, I'm pretty sure that's the highlight, so I'm going to try that out. I've never had, like, pink on my skin before, so... Or, I'm not saying that. I actually have pink on my skin before, but not, like, a highlight. Oh, my God. I'm so obsessed already. Holy shit. Oh, my gosh. Oh! Look how pretty it is on my skin. I'm so obsessed with it, guys. Like, holy effing shit. This is like probably my new. I'm gonna put too much over here on my nose. New. Oh my god. Favorite highlight. Don't know why I said it like that, but I did. Oh fuck. So I'm gonna take my angle brush again with that burgundy I showed you guys. Pretty sure it's like a burgundy right here. I'm gonna use that and take that really pretty glittery color that I used my corner of my eyelid over here and go underneath my eye with it. That. So I'm gonna do my eyebrows off camera and I'll be back. Don't have time, so now it's time for mascara. You guys know what I forgot to put on once again for another video? It's primer. Son of a bitch! Whatever, no mascara. I'm using the Better Than Sex mascara. For my bottom lashes. I'm not gonna put nothing on my waterline. My lashes, but I am gonna put them here on my lashes. Okay. I've never been really like good with the actual like regular lash extensions. Like just put them on. I like individuals better. Individuals, yeah, better because like I can put them on how I want them, and like if I do with the lash slip, I feel like I don't know. I get frustrated, and I've never been really good at that, but I will continue to work on that. So I found a lip color I wanted to use. Also, I forgot to do the corner of my eyes. So I'm going to take that Makeup Revolution little palette it's got. It's called Love Conquers. And, well, Love Conquers. Oh, fuck. Conquers all. So I'm going to take that little pretty pink highlight right in here. And put it in the corner of my eye just like, wow, I'm so obsessed with it. I've been forgetting how to do my favorite freaking part. My eyebrow bone and my corners of my eye. Like, how can you forget your favorite things to do when you do makeup? I found a color I wanted to use. It's more or less like, it's by CoverGirl. They're their older things, like more lip stains. This is 542. They're older. So, it's like that. Okay, so I'm about to fix up my hair a little bit and we'll end the video, okay? I just got back from wetting my hair, like kind of put some products in it. It's like wet and like dewy. So I hope you guys like this look. It's super cute and I'm super excited and happy with the outcome of it, and great. I'm so obsessed with this highlight. Let me get closer for you guys. Just look at it. It looks awesome. If you like this look, then comment, subscribe, thumbs up, and see you guys soon.